So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 26th towards 30th December 2022. Now GBPJPY on a weekly time frame throughout this whole week, after making a breakout of this previous low, it came all the way down to make a retest on this next major key zone with this huge bearish momentum over here. Now GBPJPY, while making a retest on this major key zone, is also making a retest on this higher time frame uptrend channel as well at this key zone. Now on the bearish side, we have this key level with multiple major retest points over here, where we expect GBPJPY to continue pushing down to on the upcoming week if it continues this bearish momentum by making a breakout of this key level over here. Similarly, on the bullish side, if we see GBPJPY making a breakout of some sort of small time frame resistance level over here with further bullish momentum, then on the bullish side we expect GBPJPY to continue pushing towards this key level or this key zone if it even makes a breakout of this key level over here, and GBPJPY would still be respecting this uptrend channel over here if that's the case that happens on the upcoming week. So we have to go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame to 4-hour time frame to locate those support and resistance to look for trace on the breakout of. So on the daily time frame, we can see almost the same key zones and levels that we just talked about on the weekly time frame. And also over here, we can see this key level with multiple major retest points, as you can see from here, which could be acting as GBPJPY's recent resistance of this in this bearish strong move over here. As you can see, this high that it created over here and with this multiple major retest points, so that's our resistance level of GBPJPY over here. Similarly, we have our support at this previous low over here or at this key level, which again has multiple major retest points from here, as you can see. So for GBPJPY to continue pushing towards this key level, we need GBPJPY to make a breakout of this previous low and this key level with further bearish momentum, and for GBPJPY to continue pushing up by finding some sort of support around here, we need GBPJPY to make a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum. So let's go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. Now on this 4-hour time frame, you can see this key level, which is our resistance currently of this structure, and also we see these lows, which is our recent support of this structure. And you can see also GBPJPY is currently moving in a bit of a symmetrical triangle pattern over here by creating this high, lower high, like, you know, it's just the price seems to be getting shrinked in between these two trend line over here, creating this symmetrical triangle pattern. And we'll be looking for trace on the breakout of this symmetrical pattern, whether on the bullish side or on the short side. So on the upcoming week, if we see GBPJPY making a breakout of this symmetrical triangle pattern and closing above this resistance level with further bullish momentum, then we can wait for some sort of a structure to be formed over here, like some sort of small pullback and some sort of a structure over here, and then we can look for trace on the breakout of that structure on a shorter time frame like a 1-hour to this 4-hour time frame over here, to add more confirmations whether it's a fake out or a proper breakout. So for that reason, we'll be waiting for some sort of a structure to be formed, and then we can look for trace on the breakout of that structure after it closes above this key zone, in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on this next key level, which you also saw on the daily time frame. Right around here has multiple major retest points over here, and if it even closes above this key level, then we expect GBPJPY to come all the way retest this key zone over here, which you saw on the weekly time frame right around here, and GBPJPY would still be moving in respect to this higher time frame uptrend channel over here with that move. However, if we see GBPJPY, instead of making a breakout of this structure on the bullish side, if it continues to find resistance at this high over here and closes below this structure with further bearish momentum on a shorter time frame like a 1-hour to 30 minutes time frame, then we can expect GBPJPY to continue this bearish run and come all the way retest this next key level over here after a breakout of this previous low, which you saw on the daily time frame right around here has multiple major retest points over here. And if GBPJPY with further bearish momentum even closes below this key level, then we can expect and we can start to look for further short trace on GBPJPY in hopes of GBPJPY continuing this bearish run towards this next major key level with multiple major retest points that you can also see on the weekly time frame over here. And oftentimes when you see price making such strong move towards a certain key levels and zone and form some sort of small structure or make some small pullback, then oftentimes price continues that momentum move on the upcoming week or so with further momentum by making a breakout of the previous low that it created over here to continue pushing towards the next possible key levels or zones. That's what happens usually. So we do expect such movement on the upcoming week, that the price continues such this bearish momentum. But then again, if price does closes above this key level or that small time frame resistance level that we talked about on the 4-hour time frame, above this high with further bullish momentum, then there is a possibility that price could find support over here and could come all the way towards this next key levels or zone. So wait to see how price reacts towards this key level or towards this low, and then look for trace after a breakout happens above this high or below this low over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading website in the video description as well. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.